Exploring nature's bounty. Few foods offer as much nutritional value as beans, particularly in managing diabetes. These small yet powerful legumes provide numerous health benefits, making them an excellent dietary choice for those aiming to control their blood sugar levels. Backed by scientific research, let's delve into the top 20 best beans that are exceptional for managing diabetes. Before we dive in, if you value the information and research that goes into creating videos like this, please consider hitting the like button or subscribing. Your support means a lot. Thank you for tuning in to Diabetes Daily Dose, and let's get started. Starting our countdown at number 20 are black turtle beans. These small black beans are packed with fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition indicates that black turtle beans can aid in regulating blood sugar levels and lowering the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. At number 19, we have lupini beans. These Mediterranean legumes are low in carbohydrates and rich in protein and fiber, making them an ideal option for managing blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology shows that lupini beans can enhance glycemic control and aid in weight management for individuals with diabetes. At number 18, we have cranberry beans, also known as borlotti beans. These legumes are rich in fiber and antioxidants. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry indicates that cranberry beans can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, making them beneficial for individuals with diabetes. At number 17, we have pigeon peas, also known as tur dal, a staple in Indian cuisine. According to a study published in the Journal of Plant Foods for Human Nutrition, pigeon peas are packed with fiber and protein, which can help manage blood sugar levels and enhance overall health in individuals with diabetes. At number 16, we have green peas. These tasty legumes are excellent for diabetes management due to their high fiber content and low glycemic index, which help maintain steady blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Food Science indicates that green peas can improve blood sugar control and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. At number 15, we have edamame. These young soybeans are rich in fiber, protein, and essential nutrients. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition suggests that adding edamame to your diet can enhance glycemic control and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases for individuals with diabetes. At number 14, we have fava beans, also known as broad beans. These legumes are rich in fiber and protein, which help regulate blood sugar levels. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that fava beans contain compounds that slow the digestion of carbohydrates, aiding in blood sugar management. At number 13, we have soybeans. These versatile legumes are high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making them ideal for blood sugar control. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that soybeans can enhance insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels in individuals with type 2 diabetes. At number 12, we have Great Northern beans. These mild-flavored white beans are commonly used in dishes like cassoulet and Boston baked beans. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, Great Northern beans contain compounds that slow the digestion of carbohydrates, helping to manage post-meal blood sugar spikes. At number 11, we have mung beans, those small green legumes commonly used in Asian cuisine. According to a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, mung beans are high in fiber and protein, essential for blood sugar regulation. Additionally, they are a good source of magnesium, a mineral associated with improved insulin sensitivity, as noted in a study published in Diabetes Care. Coming in at number 10, we have navy beans. These small white beans are known for their creamy texture and mild flavor. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, navy beans can effectively slow down the digestion and absorption of sugars, resulting in more gradual increases in blood sugar levels. At number 9, we have adzuki beans. These small reddish beans are rich in fiber, protein, and other beneficial compounds. According to a study published in Nutrients, adzuki beans can help control post-meal blood sugar spikes. At number 8, we have black-eyed peas. According to a research article in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, these legumes can help reduce blood sugar spikes due to their high soluble fiber content. At number 7, we have lima beans, also known as butter beans. According to a study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition, the high soluble fiber content in these beans can significantly lower post-meal blood sugar levels. At number 6, we have kidney beans. According to a study in the Archives of Internal Medicine, consuming these legumes can improve glycemic control and reduce the risk of heart disease in individuals with type 2 diabetes. Coming in at number 5, we have pinto beans. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, their high fiber content can help slow the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, reducing the risk of blood sugar spikes. At number 4, we have chickpeas. A study published in Nutrients indicates that incorporating these versatile legumes into your diet can improve insulin resistance and decrease the risk of type 2 diabetes. At number 3, we have lentils. These small legumes are packed with nutrients essential for diabetes management. According to the Archives of Internal Medicine, consuming lentils can lower the risk of diabetes and help maintain steady blood sugar levels. At number 2, we have cannellini beans. These Italian white beans have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent choice for managing diabetes. This is supported by a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition. Finally, at the top spot, we have black beans. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry highlights that their high fiber and protein content makes them excellent for slowing post-meal blood sugar level increases. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to the top 20 beans that are beneficial for diabetes management, all supported by scientific research. Not only are beans diverse and delicious, but they are also nutrient powerhouses that can significantly help control blood sugar levels. Whether you incorporate them into a chili, salad, curry, or dip, be sure to include these legumes in your diet for their tremendous health benefits. Beans offer numerous benefits beyond diabetes management. They are high in soluble fiber, which helps lower cholesterol levels by reducing LDL, bad cholesterol, and can decrease the risk of heart disease and stroke. Nutrient-dense and fiber-rich, beans promote satiety and help control appetite, contributing to weight management and healthy eating patterns. The fiber content also supports a healthy digestive system, promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and fosters the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and contain essential vitamins such as folate, thiamine, and vitamin B6, as well as minerals like iron, magnesium, and potassium. They are also rich in antioxidants. These nutrients collectively support overall health and well-being. While beans are often linked to diabetes management, they can also help regulate blood sugar levels in individuals without diabetes. The fiber and protein in beans slow glucose absorption, resulting in more stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, some research suggests that the phytochemicals and antioxidants in beans may have protective effects against certain cancers, such as colorectal cancer. Beans also contain minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which help maintain healthy bones and prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Beans are a superb source of plant-based protein, offering an environmentally friendly and cost-effective alternative to animal-based proteins. Including beans in your diet can be an eco-conscious choice. Always consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice on incorporating beans or any other foods into your diet, especially if you have specific dietary needs or health concerns. But before you go, let's explore how to incorporate these beans into your meals. They're versatile and can be used in more than just salads or side dishes. Picture starting your day with a hearty black bean and vegetable scramble, enjoying a delicious chickpea salad for lunch, and ending the day with a comforting bowl of lentil soup. These wholesome and diabetes-friendly dishes are sure to satisfy your taste buds. For snacks, try roasted adzuki beans as a crunchy and blood sugar-friendly alternative to your usual munchies. Beans can also be creatively incorporated into sweet dishes. For instance, you can make a healthier version of the classic brownie using black beans. This idea is supported by a study in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture, which found that using legume-based flours in baked goods can help manage post-meal blood glucose levels. It's important to remember that how you cook beans makes a difference. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that cooking methods like slow cooking or pressure cooking are best for preserving the high fiber and antioxidant levels in beans, which are essential for managing diabetes. However, keep in mind that beans are just one part of the diabetes management puzzle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and regular medical checkups are essential for overall health and effective diabetes management. In conclusion, beans in their many forms and colors are a valuable asset for individuals with diabetes. Scientific studies have consistently confirmed their benefits, making them an excellent option for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Adding more beans to your diet can be a delicious and versatile way to support your health. So, be sure to include black beans, pintos, lentils, or any of our top 20 picks in your meals. Wishing you happy and healthy eating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching Diabetes Daily Dose.